in 70's, Tamiya, very success. They built a 12-scale realistic car modified to a RC car. But this is not really true. Many manufacturers in the same time building very, very realistic 12-scale RC car, even more high performance. The first generation of Tamiya, it don't have differential, but most others, they got differential too. Even Fujimi, you know, it also got a 12-scale radio control realistic RC car. And from the chassis to the body, they are more success than Tamiya a lot. Here are the Fujimi one. You can see radio control not including, battery not including, naked battery not including. It gives you a metal chassis. You need the assembly by yourself. And this one, it can have an angle for the front axle. This is much, much better than any other brand in the same time. You can see the front are higher than the rear. Also rear axle with differential. And you also can buy a ball bearing for the rear axle. And it got coil spring suspension at the rear. This is very normal at that time. And the motor is 540, the big one. And for sure, you can changing the different gear ratio from 1 to 4.3, 1 to 5.3, 1 to 9.7, or even 1 to 12.2. At that time, you still can use normal battery, the middle-sized battery, or a naked battery. The servo, you can adjust the toe in, toe out. And the speed control, mechanical speed control. The body are the clear one, very light. And any accident happen, it will not like a Tamiya plastic one, all broken. Because display model plastic are not good for radio control. The spare parts, any spare parts broken, you can direct buy from the Fujimi manufacturer. This is so nice sticker for you. And also the plastic body. And this is the chassis when assembled. Differential. And it also got spring bumper. So don't thinking Tamiya are the best one and only one. Tamiya, they use this plastic display model body for you to put on a radio control. This is really dangerous. I got so many Tamiya chassis, but without original body, because all the body are broken. And you can buy the body very easy because they make money. At that time, so many brands, they make realistic body and a radio control chassis to put together. These are the Tamiya body chassis, and most body are broken, so I put a more than one 12 scale to put on this chassis. Much better performance they are not only light, also not easy damage. So now you know Tamiya are not the only one. They building realistic 12 scale RC car in the world. They have so many different brands to do this.